Here is how I completed the task given to you in part A. Select Player 1 game object and drag it to the prefabs folder in project window. Now duplicate Player 1 racket, move it to the positive x16 and rotate 180 degrees on y-axis. Reassign player up and down keys to up arrow and down arrow. Get rid of the old racket game object. Same true for the ball. Because we have prefab for it, we can safely remove ball game object from our scene. Now select Game Manager and assign ball prefab as a ball game object. So how do we spawn it? In start method type instantiate and in parentheses set ball. Run the game and here's our ball. As you can see, it's not in the 0, so to fix that, select prefab and reset its transform. Now press play and here's our ball again. We want to have ability to spawn ball at any time we need. If put this command to the update method, this will happen. Ball is created every frame. That's not what we have in mind, right? Start executes only at the beginning of our game, when Game Manager object is initiated. Update executes every frame. Seems like we need to write our own method. Below update type void set ball parentheses curly braces. Inside curly braces put instantiate command. Instantiate ball. This will be method which will spawn the ball when we call it. How to call it? Go to the start method, get rid of this instantiate and simply add set ball with parentheses. Make sure that you don't have any old instantiate code left. Save and run our game. As you can see, game is working same as before, but this time our ball has this little clone word and is created by our Game Manager script. Now it's time for quick assignment. For player scores we need 2 variables, one for each player. So in Game Manager create 2 variables called player 1 score and player 2 score. I will let you decide which type of variable we need for scores. Set their default values to 0. Now create 2 new methods to update scores for each of the players. They should be named update player 1 score and update player 2 score. When update player 1 score method is called, it should increase value of player 1 score by 1. And same for the update player 2 score. Only this time it should increase value of player 2 score by 1. I wish you luck and I will see you in the next lesson.